Welcome to Seoul, the bustling capital of South Korea, where ancient palaces meet futuristic skyscrapers and traditional markets coexist with cutting-edge fashion districts. Imagine arriving in this dynamic city only to face confusion, cultural misunderstandings, or missed opportunities. We've all been there, right? But don't worry, this video will guide you through the top 10 mistakes tourists make in Seoul and how to avoid them, ensuring you, yes you, have an amazing time. Before we begin though, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome travel guides, and yes, make sure you hit the notification bell so that you know when we publish a new video. So now, let's cut to the chase. And at number 10, not learning basic Korean phrases. While many people in Seoul speak some English, especially in tourist areas, knowing a few basic Korean phrases can significantly enhance your experience. Simple phrases like 안녕하세요, hello, 감사합니다, thank you, and 죄송합니다, sorry, can go a long way in making interactions smoother and more pleasant. Koreans appreciate when visitors make an effort to speak their language, even if it's just a few words. According to the Korea Tourism Organization, showing an effort to speak Korean is appreciated and can lead to more positive experiences. Additionally, learning how to read Hangul, the Korean alphabet, can help you navigate signs and menus more easily. At 9, overpacking for the trip. Seoul is a shopper's paradise, and tourists often make the mistake of overpacking and not leaving enough room for souvenirs and new purchases. The city's markets and shopping districts like Myeongdong and Dongdaemun offer a wide variety of fashion, beauty products and unique items. Pack light and bring only essentials, opting for a backpack or a small suitcase with wheels. Many accommodations offer laundry services, so you can pack fewer clothes and wash them during your stay. According to Travel and Leisure, travelling light not only makes your journey more comfortable, but also allows you to move around the city more freely and leave space for your new finds. Eight, ignoring local dining etiquette. Korean dining etiquette is unique, and understanding it can enhance your culinary experience. For example, it's customary to wait for the eldest person to start eating before you begin. When pouring drinks, you should pour for others first and hold the bottle with both hands. Also, avoid sticking your chopsticks upright in a bowl of rice, as it resembles a funeral rite. According to the Korea Tourism Organization, respecting these dining customs shows appreciation for Korean culture and can make dining experiences more enjoyable. Additionally, be prepared to share dishes, as Korean meals are often communal, and enjoy the variety of banchan, side dishes, that come with your meal. At 7, not using public transportation. Seoul's public transportation system is one of the best in the world, yet many tourists rely on taxis or walking, missing out on the efficiency and convenience of the metro and bus systems. The Seoul Metro is clean, safe and easy to navigate, with signs and announcements in English. Purchase a T-Money card, which can be used on all forms of public transport and even in convenience stores. According to the Seoul Metropolitan Government, using public transportation can save you time and money while exploring the city. Additionally, the public transport system provides a great way to experience the daily life of locals and reach attractions that are spread out across the city. Next up at 6, overlooking traditional markets. While modern shopping districts are tempting, don't miss out on Seoul's traditional markets like Gwangjang Market, Namdaemun Market and Dongdaemun Market. These markets offer a glimpse into local life and are perfect for trying authentic Korean street food, buying traditional crafts and experiencing the bustling atmosphere. Gwangjang Market, for example, is famous for its bindaetok, mung bean pancakes, and mayak gimbap, mini seaweed rice rolls. According to the Korea Tourism Organization, visiting traditional markets can provide a richer cultural experience and opportunities to interact with locals. These markets are often great places to find unique souvenirs and taste a variety of traditional Korean foods. At 5, misunderstanding public behavior. Korean social norms might differ significantly from what you're used to. For example, talking loudly in public places, such as on public transportation or in restaurants, is considered rude. Koreans value harmony and often avoid direct confrontation, so being polite and respectful in public is crucial. Additionally, always remove your shoes when entering someone's home or certain traditional accommodations like hanok stays. According to the Korean Etiquette Institute, understanding and adhering to local social norms can help you avoid uncomfortable situations and show respect for Korean culture. Being mindful of these norms will ensure smoother interactions and a more positive experience overall. At 4 now, not respecting personal space. While Seoul is a densely populated city, respecting personal space is important. Pushing and shoving are frowned upon, especially in crowded areas like subways and markets. Always wait your turn and be mindful of others around you. In crowded places, keep your belongings close and avoid blocking pathways. Additionally, when using escalators, stand on the right side to allow people in a hurry to pass on the left. According to the Seoul Metropolitan Government, respecting personal space and being considerate of others helps maintain a harmonious and pleasant environment for everyone. These small gestures of consideration can make a big difference in your interactions with locals. At 3. Falling for tourist traps. Seoul's popular areas like Itaewon, Myeongdong and Gangnam are filled with tourist traps, including overpriced restaurants and souvenir shops. Tourists often make the mistake of dining or shopping in these areas without realizing they are paying a premium. To experience authentic Korean cuisine and find better deals on souvenirs, venture into less touristy neighborhoods like Hongdae, Insadong or Ikseondong. According to the Korea Tourism Organization, exploring these areas will provide a more genuine and affordable experience. These neighborhoods offer a more authentic feel of the city with unique shops, local eateries and a vibrant cultural scene that gives you a true taste of Seoul. At 2. Underestimating the weather. Seoul experiences 4 distinct seasons, with hot, humid summers and cold, dry winters. Tourists often underestimate the weather and don't dress appropriately. In summer, wear light, breathable clothing and always carry water to stay hydrated. In winter, pack warm layers as temperatures can drop significantly. Spring and autumn are the most pleasant times to visit, with mild temperatures and beautiful scenery. According to the Korea Meteorological Administration, being prepared for the weather will make your trip more comfortable and enjoyable. Checking the weather forecast regularly and dressing in layers can help you stay comfortable no matter when you visit. And finally, at number 1, disregarding personal safety. Seoul is generally a very safe city, but like any major metropolitan area, it's important to stay vigilant. Tourists often make the mistake of being too casual with their belongings. Always be aware of your surroundings and keep your valuables secure. Use anti-theft bags, keep your wallet in front of a pocket, and avoid displaying expensive items like jewelry or cameras. Pickpockets are not common, but it's always better to be cautious. According to the Seoul Metropolitan Police, staying vigilant and taking basic precautions can help you avoid any unfortunate incidents. Additionally, knowing emergency contact numbers and having a plan in case you get lost can provide extra peace of mind. And there you have it, our top 10 mistakes tourists make in Seoul and how to avoid them. Did any of these tips surprise you? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more travel guides and tips. Safe travels and enjoy your time in this incredible city.